Hi guys, hello, what's up? Welcome back into... I have to stop saying welcome back into my channel. So if you don't know me, hi, I'm Justine. I am doing videos about social media and content creation. I am going to show you how to make a Pinterest video pin on the Over app. So we are going to go into my iPad because this is where I create most of my content, but you can totally do that on your phone. However, you will need obviously the Over app to follow along with me. I am going to tell you what I do before doing it, that way you know what you've got to do too, and then we will go into the tutorial. So usually when I want to create Pinterest video pin, it's for either animated quote, who doesn't like quote, and or for my YouTube videos or for my blog post on my website. What I'm going to do today is looking at what article I want to promote on Pinterest. Then I will look at a video that could match the theme of this article. So I think we're going to go with the article of how to make a Christmas gift on Procreate. And so we will looking for a free video that shows like Christmas, maybe Christmas trees, maybe snow, something related to Christmas. And then we'll go to the Over app and we will start making that video pin. And I am going to show you exactly how I brand mine and how I do. So let's get into this tutorial. was that easy. I hope you really liked and now you really appreciate knowing how to make a Pinterest video pin on the other app. If you like this video, don't forget to push the like button, that I would really appreciate it. And if you love watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe to never miss any of my future uploads. Until next time, take care. Thank you again for watching. Bye.